Face towards the sun and stand straight with your feet together, bringing your palms together in a prayer position. Take a deep breath and regulate your breathing. While inhaling, raise your arms upward and join your hands in salutation to the sun. Bend your waist slightly backward and look at your hands. Now, while exhaling, bend forward, placing your palms near your feet and touching your forehead to your knees. This is Uttanasana. Inhale and move your right leg back with a big step, keeping your hands steady and placing your left foot between the hands. Raise your head upward. Slowly exhale and bring your left leg back beside your right foot. Keep your arms straight. Lift the back portion of your body upward and bring your head close to the ground. Inhale. Your body should now form an inverted V shape. Do not bend your knees. This is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and bring your body down to the ground. Only your forehead, chest, hands and knees should touch the ground. Inhale and raise your chest in the form of a serpent, keeping your hands in place. Exhale and bring the back portion of your body again into the inverted V shape, which is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Do not bend your knees. While inhaling, bring your right leg forward, placing the right foot between the hands and raise your head upward. Now exhale and bring the left foot forward to meet the right foot, rising slightly upward. Make sure that hands and feet are aligned and your head touches your knees. Inhale and raise your arms upward in the prayer position. Bending the waist slightly backward, stand steadily in one place. Now exhale and bring your hands in the prayer position in front of your chest.